Yo, what is up, YouTube? We are back with another POV drive, and I'm giving y'all a highway POV. Keeping it hold on. I'm giving y'all a little chill highway POV. It ain't gonna be nothing crazy. It's about to rain, so I'm not about to be cutting up on the highway. So let's keep it PG. Oh, this is my dog's song, bro. Even my watch come with a brr. Feel the rap shit kicking off, won't be too long, I signed a deal. Rich as hell, cop do so watch, she always told me time to heal. Don't complain when shit go bad, when they go good, we gon' say bow. Stuck in the fully, if they gon' play, switch up the crowd. Never care about my performance, it's your best bet to get down. Money help, but don't solve problems, think about death, shit make me frown. Chasing my dreams, know what's the time when I'm still here. I ain't scared of death, won't make no sense if I keep brr. I saw famous out my rap, gon' stack up L before I do. My face not by sight, before I'm 20, I'm up a deal. She gon' change, still a young nigga, from my Glenwood, just up a meal. Put up the height, I made the cars match from my fully. Keep my watch, they throwing shades when I pop back. Diamonds gon' shine, they hate to see me. Showing signs when I get rich, gon' make the suit match from my brr. Rich I rock, I signed a deal, gon' let the label buy all the glitches. You hear that sound, you know it's us. Used to be broke, but now we all made us away. Before the round, we used to ball. Shawty love, cause it stay told, but now she folks, we match the belly. Hear my songs over the world, she know it's me, she ain't let do it. Fully, even my watch come with a brr. Feel the rap shit kicking off, won't be too long, I signed a deal. Rich as hell, cop do so watch, she always told me time to heal. I was gonna go over there, but that truck is sitting over there, bro. Stuck in the fully, if they gon' play, switch up the crowd. Never care about my performance, it's your best bet to get down. Money help, but don't solve problems, think about death, she make me frown. As soon as I move over, they wanna speed up. I'm still here. My subs too. They crank too hard, bro. I can't even play the other song, bro. Without it blasting. Cut him off. Behind me trying to cut up. I was just trying to chill. You feel me?
Every single day, man. I smoke a little grabber with my weed, too. Mommy saying, Loki, can I agree? Grandma saying, Loki, when you smoking mad weed, you know that I'm wrong. Said I'm getting straight, baby. These bitches is broke, saying, Loki, save me. Tryna have my baby. You know a nigga strapped, man, I took 380s. Tryna drive me crazy. They saying, Loki, then they wanna trap me, baby. Standing on the block, step row, the best show, niggas know I drop the bag and my neck glow, the step row, too desperate. I need love and affection. Love, 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 love and affection. Love, love, L-O-V and affection.
For the world, baby.
You can give me what I want, baby. Come hold me tight, and when I'm trying to save me, give it to me on a daily. If I'm your girl, say my name, boy. Let me know I'm in control. We both grown, so how we feel, we can let it show. I won't play around. I wanna lay you down. I need you now. I need you now.
I don't wanna give you the wrong impression. I need love and affection.
Dude, come on now.
And I
Come on,
hope that
dude.
sounded
One lane,
too
dude.
desperate.
One lane, dude.
I need love and
Yo.
affection. Love and affection. L-O-V and affection.
You've been stingy with your time.
Got me wondering, I'm wondering.
I'm on your mind. Boy, I just wanna be in your possession. You say I'm the one you want, so come express it. Don't slip, don't slip. Cause a nigga might push up on it. Don't really wanna lose this moment. While window shopping, you on this side. Don't put it down. Don't fuck around. I want you now. I want you now.
I don't wanna give you the wrong impression. I need love and affection.
Yo, I'm about to get I gotta get some new shocks, bro. So that's why I don't be like flying down the road and doing too much. But I did order them, so they gonna be on the way soon. I got them upgraded shocks. Bro, I'm still on the stock shocks with these lowering springs. So
He said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby, mother tatted. 5-year been up north when they ran it. Anyway, I felt them, helped them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium. Welcome, bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm on my D in the outer. I call him Tammy like powders. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's top of the top, but I never fuck with beginners. I let them play with my pussy, then lick it out with his fingers. I'm in the zone.
yo, this is not real. The chief had to let me know.
She got a nigga at home and one on the side. Best friend is a dyke. They fucked around a few times, her and her mama alike. So all they do is fight. I tell her make me some money, she tell me make me a wife. I tell that bitch you crazy, fuck wrong with you. And excuse my French, but I'm a lone kisser. And then she try to tell me I'm the only one that's hitting. And I say what about them niggas? She say what about them niggas? You right, what you doing tonight? Put on something tight, don't judge me, I get life. She love me like a brother, but fuck me like a husband. Pussy like an oven, too hot to put my tongue in. All I had to do was rub it, the genie out the bottom. Pussy so wet, I'ma need goggles. She tell me that it's mine, I tell her stop lying. Mine and who else? She said worry about yourself, that's all.
I know you want it, boy, I see you trying. Just keep on pushing, I'ma let you slide in. Just close your eyes and look this horizon. This way, gonna get you some.
But girl, I turned that thing into a rainforest. Rain on my head, call that brainstorming.
Yeah, this is deep. Oh, but I go deeper. Make you lose yourself. And find us keepers. It go green light. Go easy go. I like to taste that sugar.
That's sweet and low.
But hold up, wait. New position. I put her on my plate. Then I do the dishes. She my motivation. I'm her transportation. Cause I let her ride.
Oh, traffic jam, dog. Traffic jam.
Conversation, please, I just want the baddest bitch in the world right here on my lap. And I'ma hit this drink up like it's my last. I'ma hit this night up like it's my last. I'ma hit this ass up like it's my last. Like I never hit it at Like I never hit it at Like I never hit it Okay, now with that alcohol, you ain't even gotta ask. I'ma drink it all like it's my last. She a 7 in the face, but a 10 in the ass. And she even look better by the end of my glass. See, I just walking fresher than the circles up in this motherfucker. I'ma need the background, but got a lot to show for it. Always had drive like I had to show for it. My team so
It's just 15-minute jam. That's ridiculous. I don't know why it sounds so loud. It sounds so loud right now. Let's play something, man. Let's just play this over. That bet's clean, bruh. This motorcycle, he about to got me, man. The guy had sent me the gavel, please. Yeah, got sent, bro. Got sent. Ooh. I gotta chill out, because I know it'd be a cop here. No. It'll be crazy because cops sit right there. Everybody wants us to join this server, bro. I know he was gonna hop. Yo, I told y'all a chill POV, bro. It's never a chill POV. Like, sometimes when I really just be trying to chill, I was just trying to cruise, bro. Because I got an hour and 38 minutes. Then I see this white car in my rear view, like, cutting up. It's just, like, kind of like, it just makes me want to cut up, bro. It makes me want to get active. I ain't even supposed to be doing all this. I'm supposed to just be chilling. If I get caught by a cop, it's GG's, bro. It's GG's. I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We out.